Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys 3 men's makeup essentials that you need in your kit. So the first thing that I suggest would be foundation. Now foundation is the main product you need because it goes all over your complexion and is basically the main thing that people notice. So make sure that you get the right shade. Now this is the one I have, is from Armani and it's the Luminous Silk Foundation. It is a medium to high coverage foundation. You can build it up. It's just amazing. Honestly, it's one of a kind foundation. I love it so much. The color is amazing. There's so many different color shades option available. Definitely go and check it out because there's also different finishes in the Armani foundation ranges. The next step I would suggest would be a concealer. Now concealer is the same thing as the foundation. It's amazing to put it underneath your eyes to cover the dark circles, as well as to put it on blemishes and spots. This one from NARS, it's a NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It's very high coverage concealer, which is amazing for spot concealing and over putting on blemishes. And the last step I would say would be powder. Now this is the MAC Blot Setting Powder. This is in the shade medium, and honestly I cannot say it enough how important blotting or putting powder is, because it just sets your makeup and it's just staying all day long. It doesn't smudge and it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't make your foundation or concealer look cakey, so your makeup looks absolutely flawless and very natural. So these are the 3 products that I would suggest for us guys if you want a men's natural makeup look. If you want to achieve a very natural, very effortless look, then these are the 3 makeup essentials that I would suggest we guys need in our kit. This is amazing if you want to start up into makeup, or this is just amazing if you want to start it up and you don't know what to get for. So of course, foundation, concealer and powder. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys to go and check it out. These are the only products that I use at the moment. They're absolutely amazing and they are honestly so great. They make my makeup last all day long and it makes my skin look amazing and I feel amazing. So I highly suggest you guys go and check it out. It doesn't have to be from these brands, but just in general, foundation, concealer and powder. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one.